Hello! There's something new in the air today. It's called humidity. I'm not used to it, but it feels good, and my garden is really enjoying it. So let's do a little quick garden tour because I've done a couple things and the garden has just loved the rain. We had two good soaking showers yesterday and one this morning. Maybe some last night I might have slept through, but it's been fantastic. We're finally catching up. In Arizona, we depend on our monsoons, so pretty happy. We'll start with the tomatoes here that I made that twine support for. You can see it climbing up there. It's looking pretty good. And here is something interesting that popped up overnight. There's a little mushroom growing there. I don't see many mushrooms around here, but there's been enough rain for that one to pop up. I have no clue what kind that is. Yeah, everything's seen such big improvements. I swear, just overnight when it rains, there's so much nitrogen in the rain. Did you know that? Picks it up from the air. And so a lot of times when I water, I'll use this fine spray setting on the hose to try to get some of the same effect. Here's our gorgeous sunflower. It started drooping over a little bit because I came out and it's like, it seems shorter. So it's just getting older and hunched over like we do when we get old. I planted this alyssum from seed. It's really gone bonkers. My little seedlings in there love the rain. More sweet peas back there ready to pick. My kale's looking better. I was fighting aphids on that. I trimmed back a lot of growth from underneath so that I could get a handle on it by spraying the leaves down. On the underside of the leaves, I'd spray water on them, knock all the aphids off. What do we have here? Some kind of little red bug. Very red. Oh, what are you? I don't know. In Arizona we get some strange looking bugs. Gotta love the color on them though. The beetle of some sort. Borage, which I have planted from seed several places around the garden. I've got that for a pollinator. It should be coming pretty soon by the looks of it. My cilantro I'm allowing to go to seed. And Hero's gonna join us. Hello, Hero. You gonna come in here? You get that bug for me? And the pumpkin, remember I said it was training it to go up the ladder, and it's I can reach the top now. Look at that. That'll be a blossom with another pumpkin on it. And there's another pumpkin there. There's my baby. And there's basil. I had pruned my basil back, pinched it back quite a bit. It was starting to flower, and the ones in there too. Always pinch your basil back if you're not using it. Oh, you can find a use for basil. I just put it in a bag and just smell it. It's my favorite smell. These were my brandy wines. I started those from seed. They're an heirloom. I'll have to find a way to cage those soon. Yeah, you can see how much bigger my tomatoes got. Here's something new. I hung a few things on the fence. Because I do things like that. Just wired them on there randomly. cool. And the cucumbers, boy, the rain made a big difference to those little guys. They weren't looking like much. That would be a zucchini there, my black and white beans. They get a little yellow. I am not sure what they're missing. Maybe the rain will help. I tried a little fertilizer, but didn't do the trick. And there's some nice looking zucchini. Pretty soon. Thanks for visiting me again today. This is Cindy from Bo C Creative Living. Bye-bye.